Hi students, good morning. Today again we will discuss the derivative of composite functions. Just let's practice. Okay. d by dx of sin 3x. d by dx of sin 3x. Tell me, sin x derivative is cos x into d by dx of 3x. Okay, cos 3x into d by dx of 3x is 3. Next, d by dx of a power sin x, which is in the form of d by dx of a raised to x, a raised to x derivative is a raised to x into log a base c, a raised to x log a base c. Tell me which is equal to a power sin x into log a base c. Okay, is it finished differentiation? No. We have assumed this one as x. Again apply differentiation of sin x. d by dx of sin x. Okay, so a power sin x into log a base c. The derivative of sin x is cos x. The derivative of sin x is cos x. Next, d by dx of square root of sin of e raised to x. Right? First of all, which is in the form of root x. d by dx of root x equal to 1 by 2 root x. d by dx of root x equal to 1 by root x. 1 by 2 root of, this is we have assumed as x. 2 root of x sin of e power x into what we have assumed as x? This circle. What I want circle. That again apply differential. d by dx of sin of e power x. Now 1 by 2 root of sin of e power x into, this is the form of sin x. So e power x consider as x. Sin x derivative is cos of e power x. Cos x. Okay, finished? No. Into d by dx of what we have considered as x? E power x. Okay, cos of e power x by 2 under root of sin of e power x into e power x derivative is e power x. This is okay. Next, d by dx of sin tan of log x, which is in the form of tan x. This is considered as x. Tan x derivative is secant square x log x into d by dx of log x. Secant square log x into derivative of log x is 1 by x. Next, d by dx of tan of sin of x cube. Tan of sin of x cube. d by dx of tan of sin of x cube. Now, first of all, this is considered as x. Tan x. The derivative of tan x, secant square x. X means sin x cube into d by dx of what you have considered as x? Sin x cube. Now secant square of sine x cube into, now which one consider as x cube? Sin x. The derivative of sin x is cos x cube into d by dx of what we have considered as x cube. X. Okay. Secant square of sine x cube into cos x cube into x cube derivative is 3x square. D by dx of 1 by root of log x. 1 by root of log x. Tell me how we can find this. This first you make in the form of 1 by root x, or can I write like log x d by dx of log x whole power minus 1 by, yes, which is in the form of x raised to n d by dx of x raised to n equal to n into x power n minus 1. N into x power n minus 1. So this is considered as x raised to n. X raised to n differentiation minus 1 by whole power n minus 1 minus 1 by 2 minus 1, where x is log x, into d by dx of, we have considered this as x, that one again applied differentiation. So minus 1 by 2 log x whole power minus 3 by 2. The derivative of log x is 1 by x. So minus 1 by 2x comes down log x whole power 3 by 2. D by dx of sine of ax plus b. Sine of x plus b. Tell me sine x derivative is cos of x plus b into d by dx of x plus b. So cos of ax plus b into derivative of ax plus b, a. Next, d by dx of cos of root log x. Cos of root log x. First, which form it contain? Cos x. Cos x. Cos x. The derivative of cos x is, this is considered as x minus sin x, x root log x, into d by dx of what we have considered as x, root log x, d by dx of root log x. So which is equal to minus sin of root log x into root x. This is root x differentiation 1 by 2 root of log x into d by dx of this we have considered as x log x. Okay, which is equal to minus sin of root log x by 2 root log x into the derivative of log x is 1 by x. Next, all miscellaneous problems from this. D by dx of 3x square minus 9x plus 5 whole power 9. 3x square minus 9x plus 5 whole power 9. Which form it contains? X raised to n. This is contained as x. Considered as x. X raised to n differentiation. 9 into x whole power 9 minus 1 into d by dx of what we have considered as x. This is 3x square minus 9x plus 5. This is x means here 3x square minus 9x plus 5. Now 9 into 3x square minus 9x plus 5 whole power 3h. Derivative of 3x square 6x. You know. See, d by dx of 3x square minus d by dx of 9x plus d by dx of 5. Understood? Now 9 into 3x square minus 9x plus 5 whole power 8. In that 3 is constant. Take out d by dx of x square 2x. d by 9 is constant. d by dx of x. 5 is constant. The whole constant derivative is 0. Now 9 into 3x square minus 9x plus 5 whole power 8. 3 into the derivative of x square 2x. That's why I said no 6x. You can write direct. Okay, x square derivative is 2x. 2 into 3 6x. Okay. Next minus. In second video how this is. Okay. 3 into 2 6x. And you can write directly 9 constant x derivative is 1. 9 into 1 9. Here 9 x derivative with respect to x is 1. That is it. 6x minus 9. 9 into 3x square minus 9x plus whole power 8 into 6x minus 9. Next, d by dx of sin power 6x plus cos power 6x. d by dx of sin power 6x plus cos power 6x. d by dx of sin power 6x plus d by dx of cos power 6x. Okay. How can we find this? Which form it contains short formula? X raised to n. Sin power 6x, we can write sin x whole power 6 plus d by dx of this is cos x whole power 6, which is the form of x raised to n. X raised to n derivative is n into x power n minus 1. So x power 6 derivative 6 into, this is considered as x, 6 into sin x whole power 5 into d by dx of sin x plus x power 6 into cos x whole power 5 into d by dx of cos x. d by dx of cos x. 6 into sin power 5x into sin x derivative is cos x plus 6 into cos power 5x into the cos x derivative is minus sin x. Finish. What is the common in the both? 6 sin x power 5x cos x minus 6 cos power 5x sin x. What is the common in both? 6 sin x common, cos x common. Remaining is sin power 4x minus sin x common, cos power 5 and cos left remaining cos power 4x. This is the right. d by dx of cos square x. d by dx of cos square x. Tell me d by dx of cos x whole square, which is in the form of x square. The derivative of x square is 2 cos x into d by dx of cos x. 2 cos x. The derivative of cos x is minus sin x. So minus 2 sin x into cos x equal to minus sin 2x. Okay. d by dx of tan square x. d by dx of tan square x. Tan x whole square. Tan x whole square derivative 2x means 2 tan x. 2 tan x into d by dx of tan x. So 2 tan x into derivative of tan x is secant square x. Next, d by dx of cot square x, which is in the form of x square, cot x whole square. X square derivative is 2x means 2 cot x into d by dx of cot x. 2 cot x, derivative of cot x is minus cosec square x. Minus cosec square x. Next, d by dx of sec power 5x. Sec power 5x. d by dx of sec x whole power 5. X raised to 5. X raised to 5 derivative is 5 into sec x whole power 4 into d by dx of sec x. 5 into sec x whole power 4. The derivative of sec x is sec x into tan x. Sec x into tan x. Next, d by dx of cosec power 10x. Cosec power 10x. 10 x raised to 10. 10 into cosec power 9x into d by dx of cosec x whole power 9. Okay, 10 into cosec power 9x into cosec x. Cosec x derivative is minus cosec x into cot x. d by dx of sin x power 5. Sin x power 5. But is it can I write like this? Sin x whole power 5? No, it's not. It's wrong. This is wrong. Okay. If sin power 5x is there, you can write sin x whole power 5. So then it is the form of sin x. This is considered as x. Sin x. The derivative of sin x is cos x. Cos of x power 5 into d by dx of what we have considered as x? X power 5. So cos of x power 5 into x power 5 derivative. X power 5 derivative is 5 into x power 4. 5 into x power 4. Next, d by dx of tan of x cube, which is the form of tan x. Tan x derivative is secant square x cube into d by dx of what we have considered as x cube. Secant square x cube into the derivative of x cube 3x square. Next, d by dx of cot of x power 10. Cot of x power 10. It is the form of cot x. The derivative of cot x is minus cosec square x into d by dx of x power 10. So minus cosec square x power 10. The derivative of x power 10, n into x power 9. n into x power 9. Next, d by dx of, are you following? d by dx of sec of x power 100. This is considered as x. Sec x derivative is sec x into tan x. Sec of x power 100 tan of x power 100 into d by dx of x power 100. So sec x power 100 tan x power 100 derivative of x power 100 into x power 99. 100 into x power 99. Next, d by dx of sin square x cube into cos square x power 5. How this is in the form of u into v. The form of u into v. This is u and this is v. uv whole dash equal formula uv dash plus vu dash. u dash plus vu dash. U. Tell me u. Sin square x cube v d by dx of cos square x power 5 plus v cos square x power 5 into d by dx of u sin square x cube. Sin square x cube. Sin square x cube. This is, tell me which form it contains? Cos x whole square. Cos of x power 5 whole square. Means x square differentiation 2x. Cos of x power 5 into what we have considered as x? No, cos x power 5. This is whole square. So this we have considered as x. X square derivative is 2x into d by dx of cos of x power 5. Are you following? Plus cos square x power 5 into, this is the form of sin x cube whole square. Sin x cube whole square means x square. Sin x cube considered as x. X square derivative is 2x. 2 into sin of x cube into d by dx of sin x cube. Sin x cube. Okay. Now 2 into sin square x cube cos power x power 5. This is again x power 5 considered as x. Cos x. Cos x derivative minus sin x power 5 into d by dx of x power 5. X power 5 derivative next step, d by dx of x power 5. So cos square x power 5 into 2 sin x cube into, this is considered as x, sin x cube. Sin x derivative cos x cube into d by dx of x cube. X lost as minus 2 sin square x cube cos of x power 5 sin of x power 5. X power 5 derivative 5 into x power 4 plus 2 cos square x power 5 sin x cube into cos x cube into x cube differentiation 3x square. d by dx of root of sin x cube. d by dx of root of sin x cube. First, which is the form of root x. Root x derivative 1 by 2 root of sin x cube into d by dx of, we have considered this as x, that one again apply differentiate, sin of x cube. 1 by 2 root of sin x cube into, this x cube considered as x, sin x derivative cos x cube into d by dx of x cube. So cos x cube, the derivative of x cube 3x square by 2 root of sin x cube. Root of sin x cube. Next, d by dx of tan of 5x square plus 6x minus 5. Which form it contain? Tan x. Which form it contain? Tan x. This is considered as x. Tan x. Tan x derivative secant square x. This is 5x square plus 6x minus 5 into d by dx of what we have considered as x, that one again differentiate. 5x square plus 6x minus 5. So secant square of 5x square plus 6x minus 5. This is 10x plus 6. The 5 derivative is g. Next. d by dx of cot of sine of root x. d by dx of cot of sine of root x. First, which is the form of cot x. Cot x. What is the derivative of cot x? Minus cosec square x. X means sine root x. Into d by dx of x sine root x. So minus cosec square of sine root x into root x considered as x. Sine x. The derivative of sine x is cos x. So cos root x into d by dx of this one considered as x root x. What I have made circle, that one again apply differentiate. Only for understanding purpose. After getting the concept, you can write direct step also. Minus cosec square of sine root x into cos root x into 1 by 2 root x. This you can write direct step also. You won't lose the marks. How? Like this. Cot x derivatives minus cosec square x into sin x derivatives cos root x into root x derivatives 1 by root x. This now we are in level, nursery level. Okay, after getting the concept, you can write direct. Okay, steps is not important. You can write this direct step also.